What's up mga kabongers? Ayan, for today's video, I just wanna thank everyone. Gusto po nating magbalik sa YouTube ulit kasi sayang naman yung ating mga subscribers na nandyan na nag-aabang ng ating mga video. Well, anyway, just wanna thanks Kapitana, Venusa, of course my Langga, Gab, X, Autumn, and Winter, and everyone who is visiting to my channel. Shout out to each and every one of you. Simula ngayon, bukas, magpakailanman, magla-live na tayo. Or I am going to upload daily videos for you to be updated kung ano yung mga ginagawa natin. So please do follow also to my TikTok, Instagram, and to my Facebook page. It's all Kabongers po. Ayan. Just search Kabongers and then you can, yun, makita nyo na ako yun. Or yung may hashtag Kabongers, makikita nyo na rin po pala ako doon. So, yung ating mga content is more on store opening or supporting MSE or these SMSE, Small and Medium Enterprise, SME pala. And yung mga coffee shop, lahat, mga ganun. And then, travel at the same time, yung ating mga pusa. So, thank you so much, no? So, Kabongers, stay tuned for more updates. JC Matansumba, thank you so much. Ayan, soon magpapalipad na rin kayo ulit sa channel natin. So magagawa natin to, kaya natin to for the monetization. Hala! Okay, so Ramadan Kareem. So today is March 2. It is starting day of iftar. Yun. So, kasimula sa ating mga Muslim brothers and sisters and all over the world sa mga nag-observe ng Ramadan Kareem or Ramadan Mubarak. Ayan. So, ayan, mag-ingat po tayong lagi. And, yun. Thank you talaga. So, dalawin nyo na lang yung video ko every time na makadalaw kayo. Please, mag-iwan kayo ng bakas para mabalikan ko kayo. So, ganun po yun. So, stay connected and stay updated. Stay tuned. This is Kabongers once again. Good evening to each and every one of you.